How many times have you felt pumped up, ready to conquer the world, only for that feeling to vanish a few hours later? You watch a motivational video, listen to an inspiring podcast, read a powerful book, and for a moment, you're on fire. But then, the grind sets in, the challenges appear, and that external spark fades, leaving you right back where you started. We've all been there, constantly chasing the next external trigger, the next jolt of motivation. But what if I told you that true, unshakable drive doesn't come from outside you, but from a blueprint deep within? Today, we're diving into Neville Goddard's inner motivation blueprint. No more external triggers. We're going to explore how to cultivate an unstoppable drive that originates from your own consciousness, making you self-sufficient in your pursuit of your dreams. If you're ready to stop relying on temporary boosts and ignite an enduring flame within, then this video is for you. We live in a culture that's constantly selling us external motivation. New courses, new gurus, new challenges, all promising to light a fire under you. And don't get me wrong, external inspiration can be valuable. It can introduce you to new ideas, provide initial guidance, or even give you that first necessary push. But here's a fundamental flaw. External motivation is always temporary. It's like trying to power your home with a string of firecrackers. They make a loud bang, a bright flash, and then silence and darkness. True, sustainable power needs a consistent, internal generator. Neville Goddard taught us that the only true cause is consciousness, and that everything external is merely a reflection. If your motivation relies on something outside of you, it's inherently unstable. The moment that external stimulus is removed, your drive diminishes. We need a different approach. We need to go within. The foundation of Neville's inner motivation blueprint is a radical, yet liberating concept. Consciousness is the only reality. This means that your inner state, your beliefs, your feelings, and your assumptions are the true creative power. Everything you experience in your external world is a projection, a reflection of what you hold within. This is where true, internal motivation begins. If your current reality isn't what you desire, you don't need to chase external fixes. You need to change the internal blueprint. When you truly grasp that your thoughts and feelings are the cause, and your external world is the effect, you stop feeling like a victim of circumstances and become the conscious creator of your life. This realization itself is profoundly motivating because it places all power back into your hands. Why it's crucial, this shift from external cause to internal cause empowers you. You realize you're not waiting for life to motivate you. You are the source of your own motivation by consciously choosing your internal state. Actionable tip. For one day, whenever something external frustrates you, pause. Instead of blaming the outside, ask yourself, what belief or assumption within me might be reflected here? This isn't about self-blame, but about reclaiming your creative power. Our third pillar is applying the concept of living from the wish fulfilled. This is where your imagination becomes your most potent motivator. Instead of hoping for your desires or feeling frustrated by their absence, you immerse yourself in the feeling of already having achieved them. What would it feel like if you were already effortlessly productive? What sensations would confirm your goal is complete? Hear the congratulations. Feel the relief of work done. See the results. When you regularly impress your subconscious with this vivid, sensory-rich end state, your inner being starts to feel the reality of it. This creates a powerful inner momentum. You're not trying to motivate yourself to get to the goal. You're motivated by the feeling of having already arrived. This natural, magnetic pull from the desired future is a far more sustainable and joyous form of motivation than any external push. Why it's crucial. This method eliminates the gap between desire and fulfillment, removing the resistance that often kills motivation. You act from a place of certainty and inspiration, not struggle. Actionable tip. Before starting a task or project, take 1 minute to vividly imagine it completed. Feel the satisfaction, the relief, the pride. Let that feeling motivate your action. Do this for just one small task a day and observe the shift. Even with these powerful tools, setbacks happen. You might stumble, procrastinate, or feel a surge of old doubts. This is where Neville's concept of revision becomes a critical component of your inner motivation blueprint. Instead of letting a negative experience or a lapse in discipline derail you, you revise it in your imagination. Did you procrastinate all morning? In your mind, replay the morning as if you were incredibly productive and focused. Did you have a frustrating interaction? Reimagine it unfolding positively. This isn't about denying reality. It's about altering the energetic imprint in your consciousness. When you revise, you prevent past negative experiences from creating future negative patterns. Why it's crucial: revision breaks cycles of self-sabotage and reinforces a desired I am state. It ensures that every moment, no matter how it initially played out, can contribute to your forward momentum rather than draining your motivation. Actionable tip: at the end of the day, if there's any moment you wish had gone differently, replay it in your mind exactly as you wish it had happened. Focus on the positive feeling of that revised outcome. Let that be your last mental act before sleep. You are not a passive recipient of motivation. You are the generator. By understanding that consciousness is the only reality, embracing your I am identity, living from the wish fulfilled, and leveraging the power of revision, you create an unstoppable, self-sustaining drive that transcends any external trigger. This path requires discipline, not of forcing yourself, but of mindful attention to your inner state. It's about consistently tending to your internal garden, knowing that what you cultivate within must blossom in your outer world. Release the need to chase fleeting inspiration. The most powerful motivational force resides within you, waiting for you to consciously activate it. If this blueprint resonates with you, and you're ready to activate your inner motivation, please give this video a thumbs up. And for more deep dives into elevating your mindset and mastering your reality, subscribe to the channel and join our thriving community. Host: what's one area where you'll stop seeking external triggers and start activating your inner motivation today? Share your commitment in the comments below.